Yeah. Well, so what you say now, Miss Cherry? You're mad, man.
If you say mad, man, I come grab me. What me I got to do?
You're mad too?
Me mad on him.
Eh?
That me I tell you.
No, I know what make you mad, you know, what about mad
Well,
people?
me surf it to me and me draw lock up.
You have a surfing ticket?
Yeah.
Ah, because mad people, if you have surfing ticket, you know. Yeah, mad people, if you have that, you can't just walk, tell people, say you're mad. And you know, have your papers for sure. When you're mad, you know, them are going to pass you mad, you know. You're going to go to psychiatrist or some farmer doctor way pass you mad. So if you're mad, you have to have your paper for sure, say you're mad. You can't just walk a road and I tell people, say you're a madman. You will go to jail. You will end up go to jail, Miss Cherry, because if you... If a madman grab you?
Oh, you mean? Some of it stay grab? I make you do what you want to do.
But then you say you can't do it them nothing?
No police can't tell me that.
So what do me?
If the two are no mad, well, it's different. Yeah? You no can't fight. You can't two are mad. Eh? No. But them I tell you say, you know fit. And tell you say you know fit trouble. You can't do them anything. Yeah. Them say you can't hurt them. You can't do them nothing, them say. Cause them not in them right mind. So if you try to do them anything, it can be against you. You understand what me I said to you, Miss Cherry? Yeah, them say you not to do them anything because... Well, I hit me, I said the law no fear.
So if you kill me, them all say whatever me should
So look here now. So if a madman rush towards me with a sharp object or a machete or anything or a iron, because they always have object, you know. When you see them are traveling, you know, if you don't have a piece of board, them have a big stone, or them have a machete, or they have something. So, me I go about my lawful business and see this mad guy now move towards me with him big stone or him piece of iron. What me fi do? Hey, I run. Suppose me can't run. Me no must can run, you know.
Listen now.
Hey.
Hold on. When me run and go in a station now,
yeah.
Tell them say this a madman attack me.
Move to me.
Tell me say
they can't do him nothing.
Tell him do me
till him do you
when
something.
Him do me something, me dead and gone. What got?
Oh, me go reach station when he do me something. Cause you can't kill me, you know. One liquid him.
See me a road and trouble me a marking face and I night me a give
me not going on night fee, me I do it at the day.
Pretty.
Me not going on night.
The man can't lick me with a piece of iron, the one lick and me dead. I hit me I say. So how me I go get for reach station when he do me something? You can't do that. You can't treat me so. Yeah, you can't. You cannot treat me like that because look here. But look here. Several times.
Me say police all tell me that me fight all police too, man.
Yeah, because look, you get upset. You get so upset, pretty. You get so upset.
Daddy, look for my face. So clean and madman lick me in my face. And police are going to tell me say me can't do nothing. I run a station, me fight you.
That's why me not go to court and say that because me just a chat straight so that
so,
me right.
So look here. What I'm saying to you. So this now shows the law fear. The law not just with we. Remember the law not swing on our side, you know. Look, all right, this man mad. Him having piece of iron. And him take it lick me in my head. Me not dead, but me go on a station and me tell police a madman lick me in my head with iron. Oh, me I go get some farmer recompense for. Oh, me doctor bill I go pay. How everything I go take care of. Me stop work. Him can't do nothing. Who I go source me? Who I go source me? Me have to go suit my mind, you know?
I mean, thump
him.
See man thump him and then go in a station, you know.
And the police making no say.
I go
to court.
When me I go court now with thumper go do? What thumper go say in a court?
And you wanna go in a court, you know? Cause all when
no fear.
So you man tell me, my friend say, baby, and I laugh me laugh, I find out what me have to laugh.
I'm mad, but you know, me not the clean clothes and I could have do work. Me have to do a court with you. Alright.
And me I go work this man and this madman thump me. And me go to station and report it. And the police are go tell me say they can't arrest the man. Me and him have to go to court.
Go court with madman go do work.
Me go to school and me sit down and pick the call lick me and me not do nothing at all. And them go say
Yeah, you mean not feel lick your back. If you go tell teacher, yeah. And this I saw it come to true. Oh, me go stop lick me.
Every day me come to school, yeah, lick me.
And me can't lick your back.
I saw one time, you know. Me had pretty Shani come and tell me I pick the fight him at school. Pick the lick him. Me say, where you come here and tell me say pick the lick your back?
Me not go can't help that baby.
Me can't help that. Me say go back to school and lick
You lick him back.
Lick him back.
When they lick you, lick them back.
I know say me not do it still number 2
right.
upset and good.
Because look here now, when me go tell my kids, you first don't hit nobody.
Right.
But anyone hit you, put it back. You're on nothing.
You're not going to know as the parent, you know. You
Put
tell
it back.
them, don't lick nobody.
That's right.
You tell for your one,
Don't no lick no one picnic.
2 or 3 times you go tell teacher.
Yeah.
And if you say him not stop licking you, lick him back.
The first lick you lick me, I lick you back.
First time you lick me, I lick your back. Me not tell no teacher.
You know what me do to she when she come the day? I tell her that this every evening I come on. Because you're lunatic. I give her a ratty there beating and tell him say you
exactly.
Go to school, go fight back.
Yeah.
And I go down to school in the morning and tell teacher say listen me no call a little picnic man I'm making no sense to stop this now. Too much of this now. I want me go on to school and say me feel so bad. I don't know what me busy because me feel so bad.
Yeah, because
I said to me say me see look like your mother or something. Me say yes miss my mother. Me not like foolish to say every day this like a put in the classroom. When they do?
If your child get bullied at school every time and I come home and I complain to you, you as the parents have to put a satisfaction to it and put a stop it. What you are going to do?
Tell you, me not go to school go talk to no pitney no come me not go get
no.
Talk to the teacher.
You go to the teacher.
Not done.
Yeah.
You get contact with
your parents now. Yeah. And the 2 of we know as parents now, I go solve it with the teacher and the kids then. You can go do one something. Yeah. And go settle it. Right. That's right.
See for me going to school and talk and pick everybody. She not come back home.
No,
stop right there.
Some parents will take it on a different level. You know, you will beat your child and tell him, say, look here, don't come back and make no complaint to me. And you're busting your ass or you beat him and tell him, say, don't come back here with it. And from there, so now, she or he go take action. He might go to school now and anybody trouble him again, I'll try lick him again. He might go fight now because he knows, say, he now go can't tell him mother again because mother did beat him the last time when she carry home complain. So he might go take action there so now. You have to do some adjustments to it. How you have to do it, you know?
And the problem.
You have to make some adjustment to it because you can't go to school go fight picnic, you know. And you have to fight for yourself.
Right.
So if you have a bus female at school, me and them parents will settle that. But fight back, right?
That's
so.
Me can't come to school come fight people picnic.
And at this too, yeah, bully me for days.
Yeah,
weeks,
right.
Me I get it.
Yeah.
And the one lick me
the one time now me react.
Me go take something like here, go bust it, you know. And nobody now see a long time
she did go through this, right? Same way. And the one day now me take action just because a little blood draw today. He reach a office and me gets disqualified from school and me exactly. But that show now say the thing no fear because me been complaining all the while over how you are treat me and how you are deal with me when me come to school. But the one day me take action, me get disqualified from the school and me get suspended from the school. So the same thing with the madman on the street. You see, every day me see one out there, so you never see that guy and have a weapon. If on a board, stone, iron, machete, and him pass 100 police for the day and none of them no order him to drop it.
Police they cross the road and them look say, baby I walk big people.
He can't hit anybody with it. He can't use it. So what you as the officer should do? When you see this madman on the street with this tall piece of iron, order him to drop it. Take out your gun and point it at him and tell him drop it. And then when he drop it, you take it up from him and make sure that you no see no madman in your town with no object to harm no citizen. You know my brethren tell me say one madman lick him down when him a little baby boy I go to school. The madman lick him in the head with piece of board, nearly kill the little youth him a go park school. And until today day that madman still in town here walking with objects same way.
My friend tell me that same madman take him to a stick and give him a lick with it.
Alright.
Man say have to pitch up some big stone.
Same madman. Same one. And when my brethren tell me say him a come up in a one taxi one morning. And when he look that man have a big stone, you know. I hear him up for the car, you know. Like him go fling it in the car. Just the man say, you know, no. He must be small up himself in the car, so he can swear say the man go fling the stone in the car. Or we hold in and look in the car like he want fling it at the person they mean there, you know.
We couldn't hold them, we just jump in there, that's what the lap and take to drive.
I'm afraid them, I want near them.
Yes, if you act like you're shy for them, then realize that, then we take action more. Then we move to you that time. Yeah, when you see them, because some of them is bright, you know. Some of them come near and want to touch you too, you know. So you have to know, so when you see them, you have to just make sure, so you make it know, so I'm not afraid you. Me mad than you, like when Miss Cherry said. Yeah. Me madder than you. Right.
Me mad than you.
Because them bright enough, them a come up in your face and them a walk. Alright, you know, me see one do the other day, him a walk on the marketplace or come. This lady a come up to him, you know. The man walk totally like this to do that, you know.
All well in do it.
In do it just for grounds pan the lady, you know, with him dirty skin and self, you know.
Indeed, if you come to me and I say, you know, you move right in front.
Regular, me see that one they do it. Film be that. If you just see the nice people them a pass and just rub himself on them like this. Or when they not see, that him do. And you know a beard.
You see me stomp and say, move right in front of me, you know.
So,
in driveway.
not even police no know them thing, yeah. Not even police no know, say, the street people them and the homeless people them and the unsound mind people them and the madman them, no police don't even know, say, them walk and make trouble in the street. Then give a lot of problem in the street. Alright. You will leave your stuff right here. Because you might have sell here, so, or you work here, and when you come in the morning, everything where you did leave, you're gone. Them same one take them away. Your seat gone, your broom gone, everything where you use during your working period gone.
I have no if you live for something them so when you all gone then go ponder then go sleep.
Then go sleep because we don't have the market again where we could have lock in with stuff.
When you come in the morning now you feel clean clothes now.
You go sit on the same chair there. You see me like the madman for the whole day, you know. You see me like madman for the whole day, you know.
Me not left me out there.
Me say you go see me like madman for the whole day because madman sit down on your chair last night whole night or Sunday whole day. Because you never did the Sunday, so madman have you use whole day Sunday sleep on. So the home when me see them a make now down Army Lane, me believe is a good idea. Yeah. Me hear say it's a home for house the street people them. That me hear say that place I make for now. So me kinda respect to the minister of local government because they think they fall under that man portfolio. And him response to those type of things. So me kinda give me respect to Brother Mark for make one place at Portland for house the street people then. Because we have a lot of street people in that street at Portland. We just leg up on the road, then mess up the street, then spit on people, then box down picnic, then kick picnic, then walk to throw object on people car, then do everything in the street at Portland when me witness with me eye. Me see madman spit pan man, you know. You know me see madman spit pan people. Mad somebody where then says homeless. So when you when me I go do now, you spit on me as a mad person. When me fi do now. Yeah. Exactly. Or touch me with your dirty black hands. You can't go work. You can't go, you know.
When me done with you.
So
you can't fight my man.
You can't fight my man.
First thing me now even want to put me hand on him. Cause when me fear for, the smell we are gonna leave from me. And that me fear for. The smell that we are gonna leave from me. Because look, oh me see them look at times, all them feet and them clothes black. That feel rub off for me. That me no want that rub off for me. Me can't.
Yeah, one of them every time you see me got some mark in there, what? Tom pie.
Yeah.
One biscuit and one drink.
Well, that no bad. Me we carry back on game. Yeah, me we carry back something on game. Yeah, because look here. Thumper head good. So me look at me say, Thumper need help. He just needs somebody. Exactly, can't feel left out. So
man pocket full of money, inside father pocket full of money and make money in a give him 500.
Yeah.
And 500 can't buy nothing, so he mad.
When he come to me, if he come and he say one piece of tobacco, me always give him peace. So I saw me and him start to reason and him tell me what go on. He need help. He need little help. Yeah. And if you can't give him, you give him. Yeah, because he need him, they need help.
Me a pass, you know, and one man said to me, say, A madman said to me, say, Miss, give me your money now.
Yeah.
But anyway, me kind of afraid of him, you know, so me pass. I beg me 100. And me pass and go up the road. Pretty said to me, say, Mommy, you should have given me 100.
Yeah.
I say, Pretty me, we can't give him, I'm afraid of him too.
Yeah.
Me turn back, you know,
Yeah.
and carry the 100.
Go give him.
Because the man look at me and tell me, say, Miss, God bless you.
You know where
and
that
make
go?
Your food basket never empty.
All
And that the man
right.
said to me,
So you see, say him no sick, you know, he just need help. Because if him cannot give you those words, a positive reason in that. So him no man, him no gone to that. Him just need help. So you see, them kind of situation there, me always fall when me see them kind of people there. Me see one day that day down the town there. And me no know if somebody lick the girl, or me no quite remember how the girl faint way. But you know, it's a madman catch him. And when I street man catch her, black dirty man, just catch him. So when him a go drop, you know, just grab her, you know, and catch her and hold her good and go down with her that she no drop. And then some family member of the girl was there and just take the girl. Yeah, take the girl. The man catch him. The madman catch him. The girl did go lick his head.
Some of them have a passion, they have something them really love to do.
Yeah.
Because you used to have one I used to draw. And he draw so
In draw good. Yeah. That like him love that. I happy if he draw. And him can draw, you know. So you just need people.
I always sorry for them because you see some of them they want help.
Want help.
They can carry them go make them get fixed or carry them want home or something.
Yes, yes. Make them get some
somebody
treatment.
them too, you just
Yeah,
can't do
right. Because remember, you know, they are persons too, you know. They are feelings too, you know. And that's why I have to go back again and say this again. Me feel comfortable about this space when me see them and put up down a army lane. Yeah, then get hurt all the while in the street. People go and see them asleep all around one little place and eat them. People throw stuff on them. People damage them. Yeah, right. And damage them. Then damage them. Yeah, right. People even go as far as kill them. But, you know,
even some of the women, they may have man who do what they want.
Yeah, man, take them away at night. Man, take them away at night. Good man. Yeah. Take them away at night. Yeah, you know.
So when you look, you see some of them just constantly I get pregnant.
Yeah, right. Because a lot of the street girls, them we say unsound mind, them get baby. People get them pregnant. Government have to take some of the baby or them family member take the baby and raise them up. Up to the other day, one girl pass and I show me say, you know that little baby there for baby? And me I say, no, so I see I feed the mad girl up, that's a baby. And me I say, yeah. He say, yes, the mad girl baby, but I sister raise the baby. Me say, oh my God, big nice baby girl. So me I say, watch them, man. So you just find say, people breed them, get them pregnant, and the family member them just take the baby them. Alright, because if his mother even end up dead or him end up in the street same way, I just had that, hit that a part of life, you know. Me see one lady call one yesterday evening, one nurse lady, and she a call the guy a call, but nobody now know who she a talk over the side of the street there. So somebody say, who the lady they a talk to? And the madman look around like so, and he say, oh, I'm a sister. And he just walk across the street, go get the lady must want to give him money, because he see him and know him brother, and he call him, but he not here. So when he realize and come, try say to him, say, when he come back across, try say, who the lady there? He say, I'm a sister. So them have them good family. Film sister is a nurse. So him having good family, but she see him and her feeling tell him, say, call me brother and give him $1,000, $500. So that's why the youth go across and collect from him. Keep him in home. All of that too. All of them thing they too, you know. So we them thing the people, yeah, we have to show love, we have to show love to people. No care if him a street man or him a madman or him a who, you have to show love to people because the whole of we are person, we have feelings, and we come from a woman and all of we have mother and we have father. So what we have to do, show we love, share love with people same way. So Brooksie again, one love, bless upon yourself, more respect every time, let the blessing flow and the good grace of God be with you every day and every time in our life. So people, big up on yourself. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Brooksie and family.
Yes.
Yeah.